In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a credit note in Zoho Books. Let's dive right in to make sure you have all the information you need for this essential task. To start, open the dashboard in Zoho Books. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the Sales section. You'll want to click here as this is where all the sales-related options, including our focus for today, are accessible. Next, look for credit notes in the Sales section and give that a click. Credit notes are vital financial documents used to correct mistakes in invoices or offer discounts after an invoice has been issued. They allow you to maintain accurate financial records and provide clarity with your clients. Once you're in the credit notes section, you're going to want to create a new credit note. Look for the New button and click on it, which will open a new credit note form for you to fill out. Now that you're in the form, the first thing you need to do is select or add a customer. Choosing the right customer is crucial because this credit note needs to be tied accurately to the client's records within your accounting system. If the customer isn't already listed, take this opportunity to add them by inputting their correct details into the system. Next, input the reference number. This number is typically unique for each credit note you generate and helps in tracking and referencing the credit note in your accounting and discussions with your customer. Then, choose the date for the credit note. It's important to select the correct issue date as this will affect reporting and when the credit note is applicable in your records. Following this, you're going to want to select or add a salesperson if applicable. This step helps in attributing sales and related credits to the specific personnel involved with this transaction. The next important piece of information you need to enter is your subject. This field provides a concise explanation or note about why this credit note is being issued, making it easier for anyone reviewing these records to understand the context at a glance. Once the subject is adequately filled out, proceed to fill up the item table. This is where you'll itemize the specifics of the credit being issued, including the products or services impacted, quantities, rates, and any applicable taxes. This table is crucial because it directly reflects the changes being made to the original invoice. Ensure all details here match what you're communicating to your client or recorded in internal memos. Finally, when everything is filled out to your satisfaction, look over all the details once more to ensure accuracy. When you're ready, click on Save as Open to finalize your credit note. This status allows future modifications if needed, but also makes the credit note available for further interactions and applications against outstanding invoices. And that's it. You're all done. You've successfully created a credit note in Zoho Books, ensuring your records are clean and your customers are justly credited where needed. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like this one.